In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and set up a Gumroad account. If you're looking to start selling your digital products or resources online, setting up an account with Gumroad is a fantastic choice. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you're all set up in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to gumroad.com. This is the company's homepage where you can begin your sign-up process. Once you're on the website, you'll see either a Start Selling or Sign Up button prominently displayed on the page. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the registration page where you can create your account. Now, you need to enter your email and create a secure password. Alternatively, if you prefer a faster sign-up method, you can choose to sign up using your Google or Apple accounts, which is a handy option if you want to streamline this process. After completing this step, Gumroad will send an authentication token directly to your email to verify your account. Check your inbox for an email from Gumroad. It should include your authentication token necessary to complete the sign-up process. Be sure to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it in your main inbox. Once you've located the email, go ahead and retrieve the token. Return to the site and enter this token into the designated authentication token field. With your account verified, the next step is logging into your Gumroad account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to make your account feel personal. Navigate over to the Settings menu and then click on Profile to begin completing your profile details. Here you can add essential details such as your name and upload a photo or a logo, giving a professional touch to your profile. There's also an option to include a bio, which, though optional, can serve as a great way to introduce yourself and your business to potential buyers. With your profile set, it's crucial to configure your payment details so you can start receiving funds for your sales. Head over to Settings once more and select the Payments section. Here, you'll need to input either your bank account information or your PayPal details. Ensure that the details are accurate to avoid any disruptions in receiving your payments. Finally, you're ready to start selling. Click on Products located in the main navigation menu, then choose New Products. This is where you can upload your digital items, set your prices, and start making them available to customers. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up and set up your Gumroad account, ready to share your amazing products with the world. Thanks for watching and happy selling.